Welcome to Better Life After 60, your trusted space for senior lifestyle, wellness, and emotional well-being. Here, we focus on providing tips, exercises, and relaxation techniques that can help you lead a happy, healthy, and peaceful life as you age. We understand that with age, your body needs a little more care and attention. Today, we're going to guide you through a gentle stretching routine specifically designed for seniors. If you're looking to improve your flexibility, reduce stiffness, and enhance your mobility, you're in the right place. This routine is ideal for beginners and those looking for a low-impact workout. As we get older, our joints and muscles may start to feel stiffer, and it's common for some of us to lose flexibility over time. Stretching is one of the easiest and most effective ways to maintain or even improve your flexibility, relieve stiffness, and increase your overall mobility. Regular stretching not only improves flexibility, but also helps reduce the risk of injury, enhances posture, and improves circulation. It can even help reduce the aches and pains that often come with age. This routine will be gentle, easy to follow, and will help you feel better, more relaxed, and more mobile after just a few minutes of stretching. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or if you have some experience with stretching. You'll find this routine accessible and effective. You can do it anytime, whether you're at home or in a space where you feel comfortable and relaxed. So let's begin. First, find a comfortable and quiet space where you can sit or stand. Ensure that you are wearing loose, comfortable clothing so you can move freely. If you need support, have a chair or wall nearby. Take a moment to settle into a relaxed position. Breathe deeply and let your body relax. We'll start with some deep breathing to prepare the body and mind. Take a deep breath in through your nose, letting your lungs fill with air. Hold the breath for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension you may be holding onto. Repeat this process 2 more times. Inhale deeply, and then exhale slowly. Focus on your breath as it calms and centers you. This breathing exercise will help you focus your mind on the stretching routine ahead and prepare your body to move. Now that we are ready, let's start with a neck stretch to release any tension in the neck and shoulders. Sit comfortably, keeping your back straight. Gently tilt your head to the right side, bringing your right ear toward your right shoulder. You should feel a gentle stretch on the left side of your neck. Hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds, then slowly return to the center. Now, tilt your head to the left, bringing your left ear toward your left shoulder. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds, and slowly return to the center. Repeat this stretch 2 to 3 times on each side. Next, we're going to work on releasing tension in the shoulders. Sit up straight with your feet flat on the floor. Gently roll your shoulders forward in a circular motion. Start with small circles and gradually make the circles larger. Do this for about 10 seconds, and then reverse the direction, rolling your shoulders backward. This will help loosen up the shoulder muscles and release any built-up tension. You can repeat this for about 30 seconds to a minute. Now, let's move on to arm stretches. Reach your right arm straight out to the side at shoulder height, with your palm facing up. Slowly, extend your arm as high as you comfortably can, stretching through the shoulder. Hold for a few seconds, then lower your arm down and across your body, feeling a stretch in the shoulder and upper back. Hold this stretch for 10 to 15 seconds. Now, repeat on the left side. Extend your left arm out to the side, reach it up toward the ceiling, and then lower it across your body. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds and repeat this stretch 2 to 3 times on each side. Let's now move into a seated side stretch to gently stretch the spine and the sides of the body. Sitting tall in your chair, extend your right arm overhead and gently lean to the left, keeping your torso upright. You should feel a stretch along the right side of your body. Hold this position for 15 to 20 seconds, breathing deeply as you feel the stretch. Slowly return to the center and repeat on the left side. Extend your left arm overhead and lean to the right, holding for 15 to 20 seconds before returning to the center. Now, we'll do a gentle twist to help stretch the spine and improve flexibility. Sit up straight in your chair and place your left hand on the back of the chair. Gently twist your upper body to the left, looking over your left shoulder. Keep your hips facing forward and don't twist too far, just enough to feel a gentle stretch along your back. Hold the stretch for 15 to 20 seconds and then slowly return to center. Repeat this on the right side, placing your right hand on the back of the chair and twisting your upper body to the right. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds and return to center. Next, let's stretch the legs. While seated, extend your right leg straight out in front of you, keeping your heel on the floor. Slowly lean forward at the hips, reaching your hands toward your toes. You should feel a gentle stretch along the back of your right leg. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds, then slowly return to the starting position. Repeat this stretch on your left leg. Extend your left leg, lean forward, and hold for 15 to 20 seconds. This stretch will help increase flexibility in your hamstrings and lower back. Let's now focus on the ankles. Ankle mobility is important for maintaining balance and preventing falls. While seated, lift your right foot off the floor and gently rotate your ankle in a circular motion. Do this for 10 to 15 seconds in one direction and then reverse the direction for another 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat this on your left foot. Rotating the ankles can help improve circulation and mobility in the feet and lower legs. Now, let's finish with a full body stretch. Stand up carefully, holding onto a chair for balance if needed. Reach both arms overhead, stretching your body as tall as you can. Feel the stretch along your spine, arms, and shoulders. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently lower your arms and stand tall, feeling proud of the work you've just done for your body. Congratulations! You've completed a gentle stretching routine that can help improve your flexibility, reduce stiffness, and keep you moving with ease. Remember, regular stretching is key to maintaining mobility, feeling better, and living with greater comfort. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Better Life After 60 for more helpful tips, exercises, and wellness content. We're here to support you on your journey to living a happier and healthier life. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Extended thinking.